See that? That's my favorite. So I just placed my hot dog. Okay, it kind of looks like a, well, not kind of, but it does look like a quesadilla, but I promise you it's so good. So bomb, I already had some. So yeah, this is Jake's. Yeah, that's how I'm feeling right now, Jeremy. It's not funny. You want him to play with you? Jeremy, she wants you to open that. Here, let mommy open it. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 375. Oh my gosh, it smells so amazing. Wow, she's looking at you so prestigiously.
Yeah.
Jeremy, here, do you want to sit in a booster chair? Here, Jake, just... Stuck in traffic, folks. We're such happy campers.
Chauffeur.
Yeah, he's my chauffeur today. Guys, we're stuck in the freaking canyon. But anyway, hopefully it's gonna be alright.
Potential spam.
I love a good spam. And not that type of spam. The spam that you eat. Life is a highway.
That's a good looking pour right there, actually.
Oh, what?
It's a good looking pour.
Oh, I think that a whore. That is pretty nice and tea.
That is good looking. Have signs of gum.
This is the fix. This shirt's definitely a cutie. It's pretty cute, eh? Little kids shopping. Little basket. $10. She said, "Don't touch my stuff. I'm shopping." You shopping?
Shirt.
I've never experienced something so heavy. Now that lobster is heavy.
$18, honey.
Gosh, it's a yeah.
Emotional support dino nuggies.
What? Okay. R.I.P. But damn, Lego. Lego serious business. Like, that is serious business right there.
No, sure.
I found the best side in the world. This is a bubble blaster. That way, I don't have to blow no damn bubbles.
You want those balls?
He needs a helmet. I mean, there it is. Who the hell has this? This looks dumb as fuck. Women and their mugs, seriously. Like, bring yourself a huge water bottle like that. Just having a tantrum. Also with this one. Tantrum. See, this is why when you shop with kids, you have snacks, drinks, everything to keep them quiet. Otherwise, they lose their minds. They're like over it, you know? But pretty much right now, it's like not really interesting. Oh, look, she's dancing. Come on, keep going. Keep going. I really love this one.
Yeah, she does. Can you eat other ones?
No, it's too like, I don't know, not.
Well, you don't even use a straw. I mean, this thing is nice as hell.
That one's pretty, definitely. But, see, we're done shopping at Target.
Don't let them go.
Done. Done, done, done. Done, 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 done. We're saying bye to Target. We're saying bye to Target. We got you an electric air balloon pump. Okay, this is dinner.
That's because we used to go out, but we don't anymore.
Into the oven it goes. Okay, guys, it's been 20 minutes. I just wanted to make sure that, you know, everything was cooking right. But damn, this thing is heavy. Boy, that was heavy. Oh my goodness. I had to get the other glove out, which I usually don't. But here it is. Ooh, she's hot. Wait 1 second. 1 second. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. Yes, honey. Yes. Look how beautiful these trouts look. Glistening, bubbling in all its juices due to the butter, a little bit of water, natural water fluid, whatever. Okay, I got me a spoon. You guys, I don't know about you, but I really like mountain lake trout. I think it's the best tasting type of fish I have ever had, but I'm sure, you know, everywhere else in a rocky any place would probably have really good fish for eating. I am in heaven right now. I love fish so much. I love trout, and this right here is gonna be a good eating dinner. Okay, yeah, I'm just cutting it right in the middle. Kind of, well, the fork does very well. Ooh. Just watch what you're doing. I'll have to let you know. I'm going to taste one right now, just like the meaty part, but I love the skin, and I can't wait for the skin. This is the meat part. Every time this trout hits. Here's the skin. This is the skin. Ooh! It smacks, yes. I gotta go. I gotta go. Can you say hi? I'm 4 years old. Hi, everybody. Say hi. Yeah, hi. Jeremy's party is tomorrow. I want him to feel super happy. And I'm pulling it through for the night. So right now I'm making tzatziki sauce from scratch. I've already squeezed out the cucumber and, you know, all the water, all the liquid in there. So right now I'm kind of grating a clove of garlic, making my sauce. It's gonna be so delicious in the Euro, but yo, we got food. Like, this is about to be a cookout. I don't like cookouts that are kind of like less. Like, dude, I'm like friggin' starving at this cookout. Like, you know what I mean? I want to make sure that people are fed, you know what I'm saying? Honestly, I think making your own sauces and making everything from scratch is just a beautiful thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's no added preservatives. I mean, I'm making everything from scratch. Minus the gluten-free tortillas. Not tortillas, pita breads. I can't make a cake for tomorrow because I've got a lot of things going on. I bought a cake already. Jeremy loves chocolate cake. But tomorrow I'm gonna go to the store and I'm gonna hit up City Market and get a vanilla cake. I also have to make the rice within the day of so that way it's fresh. Using chobani here. I will emulsify this so that way it's nice and, you know, like mixed up together. Add salt and pepper to this and a little bit of lemon juice and a little bit of vinegar. Pepper. I have seen dill, fresh dill, but for some reason today when I went to the store, I couldn't find anything. Everything's bought out. So I had me here Kroger brand dill weed. So I'm gonna plunk that in. Fresh lemon juice. I always have to wash my stuff because I don't know who's handling it. So if you're a reader like me, you would wash your veggies. I like to keep my vinegar in here. A little bit of vinegar, just maybe a teaspoon. There it is. Tzatziki sauce, homemade tzatziki sauce. Getting the stuff is just all of it, really. Back with one another, and then you can just add however much more or less, or just by tasting it. Okay, that's the beauty of it. Shoot. Beautiful. You can't really see it, but everybody will know. Woo-wee. Fiery things.
No, he just held his hand above it.
I'm gonna tell you guys a little secret here. So Sarge, actually, he's the babysitter of the night because he always sleeps in the same room with the kids. Every night. Every night. Right, Sarge? Yeah, he's getting old. As we.
Let me have it.
Get her, Jeremy. Get her, get her, get her. Whoa. You're spitting. I haven't had this in a very long time. Gata and gulay. Oh my gosh. You know, even though it's not sitaw, I don't care. This is the best of what I can do to improvise, and it tastes equivalently the same. It's just it's not kalabasa, it's acorn squash. Okay, Noelle has been eyeing on this on me, so she's gonna try it right now. Oh wow. Hold on. Ready? Ah. It's delicious. Yeah, I'm gonna blow it. Mm.